What is up guys, Francisco here. On this video I will show you how the most efficient way how to format your PC so without jumping any conclusion, I'll start the video. So the first thing you want to do is download the Windows 10 from Google. Can go right here. I'll change the language. 1 second. So you want to click on download tool now. This type of system will get the copy of the genuine Windows 10. So start the program. Yes. You wanna wait a few seconds. The link will be on video description if you want. You click on accept. So once it's downloaded, click on finish and wait more seconds and it's done. So you're gonna open this Win setup, direct transfer to the desktop, gonna extract, you create a folder, open that folder and click on the second one because will be for 64-bit system type. The first one will be on 32-bit system type, which is 6x86. So click on 64 if you have a 64-bit. Click. You're gonna put your USB right now on the port. Click on Auto Format with FBINs, FDS, Advanced Options, and click on Custom Names for Vista 7, 8, or Server Sources. Click on Close. Check it. Click on it. Click OK. And we'll select the Windows 10 system file. Click on Open and click on Go. We'll give you two warnings, which the first warning will be that they will reset or erase all your USB driver. And the second one, they're going to port and report your USB driver like on basically divide your system, your USB inside it for many parts so there's space for everything. And now you'll show, wait, this is going to take a while depending on your computer performance. So we'll be right back. Oh, right, I forgot this. So we'll type Win10 will be the folder. Okay. And Win10 again. Okay. And we'll start and we'll be back soon. Alright, so once it's done, it will pop up a window saying Node jump done. You click on OK, then click on exit. You're gonna open again the folder. Click on yes. And do not check the auto format with FBINs. What? And this. Okay. So you're gonna go on advanced menu options and check again custom menu for Windows Vista or server. Gonna click on Linux ISO other I don't know the name, compatibility ISO, and select on dban. Click on dban, leave the name dban, and click on go. This one will be quickly. Click OK, exit, and unplug your USB driver from the computer. Alright, I'll pass the movie on my cell phone, which is the highest quality I have right now, and one moment. Alright guys, so I have Windows 10 installed on this computer with my laptop. So you wanna plug the USB driver on the computer. I'll choose troubleshoot, advanced. This is not needed unless you have Windows 10 installed, because Windows 10 by default will hide your F2 or delete or F12, whatever the button is to enter on your BIOS. So you need to go shift restart on Windows 10 and will pop up this and will show this type of menu. Click on troubleshoot, advanced options, click on startup settings and click on restart. Once it's restart, click on F2. Let's show F2 to enter on BIOS. And this is a legacy BIOS. Some of you are know by this type of BIOS, with it's very old. So the new ones will become with like more attractive, with more design. It's called UEFI. You need to check the model of your motherboard, search on Google and see how to put on boot your USB driver. So on legacy you go to boot tab and put, as already is on mine, the USB on first place. Click on exit, exit and save changes. After fixing, will show for me the boot menu will be USB, and just wait and will present this three type of menu. So for the DBAN will be partition 0, which will guide into this. Please take a note that this software will delete everything you have on your hard drive. So it destroys everything. There is no certification proof as I shown on when downloading the DBAN. So this will take a very while, probably 4 to 8 hours depending on your performance, if it's an SSD, if it's an HDD. So it's better to let this all going during night or doing something while you go off, because will take a lot of your hours and will load. I warned you, this will take a lot. So we are waiting. I don't know if I mentioned, but you need to type autonuke as a root. Well, show the menu of DBAN. So here's my hard drive, and once it's done I'll get back to you. So one moment. So as you can see, not one moment, as you can see, the software is telling me that he will take 2 hours approximately of destroying everything you have on your computer. 2 hours, 3 hours, something like that. So once it's done, I'll get back to you. Alright guys, so once it's finished, we'll show this message. Basically everything you need to do is press enter or 0. We'll show this ad. Just turn off your computer. And boot it up again. As you can see, boot it up. and press F2, F2 again to go to the boot menu. Check if USB, yes, saving, and just wait for it. There we go. USB, just wait again and press on this one, the first one. Choose Windows 10 as we name it, and we'll basically set up your Windows 10 for installation. It's loading up. And wait for it. There we go. I'll start record from here and see you guys soon. Wait. So let's begin with the setup of Windows. You wanna choose your time and currency format and your keyboard or input method. So the time and currency format, you wanna choose your own country. Mine is Portuguese, Portugal. Damn it. Okay. And the keyboard is Portuguese, not Brazilian one. Click on install now. Click I don't have a product key. Unless you have, then you can type it. I'm gonna choose Windows 10 Pro. I accept the license terms and click on custom install Windows only advanced. So what Debian did was delete all the partitions and data you have on your hard drive. So basically it will become a new one from manufacturer. So you want to click on new here at the bottom and click on apply. Yes or okay. I'm gonna choose the one who have more gigas. I'm gonna click on next. Once it's done, I'll tell you guys how to proceed the next steps. Right, so once the PC restarted many times, because it's normal, we will say, let's start with the region. Is this right? If you live in Portugal, of course, yes. You're gonna choose from the previous list what is your country or region, and you select your preferences. The keyboard layout, this is not US. I'm gonna choose my own because it's Portuguese. The layout of both are very different. Skip if you wanna add a second keyboard because you can change from US to Portuguese, US to Korean, for example, US to Japan. So just a moment. Alright. It's normal that everything is low on this computer. Restart it. And we'll show more options, I believe so. Let's see what's new from Windows. Okay. Gotta wait again. It's all about a matter of patience. So I'll set up for personal use because you're not part of a business or a organization. If you wanna use your Microsoft account, you just type here. I'm gonna use offline account. I'm gonna name Francisco Bray. It's my name. Password. This one. And this one. Security reason, security questions. I'm gonna choose What's the name of city you were born? I'm gonna choose Portugal. I know it's not a city, but it's a security reason I'm choosing this. Second one, I'm gonna choose Portugal again. And I'm gonna choose Lucky. I don't want to use Cortana because Cortana will basically you can speak to the computer and he will answer, but will take a lot of resources off of your computer. So even for security methods, because hackers can use Cortana to unlock your computer, so I don't want to use it. Since this is desktop or no, I don't wanna define my device. I wanted the basic. This every time you type something, Microsoft or Windows will correct for what you really wanted. But you can choose yes, but I'll choose no. I don't want ads. Ads are boring to me. And no. This will take more time, like a couple of 5 minutes. If your computer is fast, if not, it'll be ultra slow. So once it's back, I'll tell you guys. So once it's back, we'll say almost there, and you have your fresh Windows installed, ready to go. If you want to show more tips, you can watch the video on the top right corner. And if you like the video, give a thumbs up, subscribe, support me on Patreon because that will help me increase my chances of this channel going up, even for partnerships and for giveaways, anything. Your support will be huge to me if you hit at least the subscribe button and support me on Patreon. So that's all to me. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below. And you can always contact me by email from franciscop.networks .gmail.com. See you guys in the next video.